to all.
Yes, sir.
So today we'll do auto scaling, light shell, and light shell. Today's topic. Because this batch which I am doing, this is my evening batch. There is only one class ahead from this batch. So whatever I'm doing there, I'm doing like today new topic I'll add in there. So that batch is there, complete topic. So only one batch is that, one day batch. So everything I have done from here. So today we'll do auto scaling and light shell. So basically, what to understand the word means auto scaling. Auto scaling. Scaling means scaling. Yes, measurement. Auto means automatic measurement. Yes, auto scaling means automatic measurement. Like for example, you are running your entire office environment into 5 servers. Try to understand. You are doing 5 servers. All 5 servers are same configuration. Assume your Amazon. Lot of servers there. They don't have one server. Okay. Might be one server goes down. Something happened. Deleted, destroyed, CPU uses more. Then what will happen? Automatically the memory will reduce 5 to 4. That will not happen here. If something goes down, the next will come up with same configuration. That is what auto scaling is. It gives backup to your scaling process. Like you are running your entire server with 5 or 10 servers. And you know in future I need more process, I need more function, I need more storage, or I do not want that storage to be deleted or something like that. No disaster can work. That time I will configure auto scaling. So if something goes wrong with my current one, same backup will start up automatically. I will not monitor. In earlier time in on-premises, what happens? If there are servers goes down, people has to go physically and attend it. Why down? We say no. If down, fine. Next one will come up. And if this comes out, this will go down automatically. So that is what auto scaling is. In here practical, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create 2 servers. I'll configure 2 web page again. Okay, then I'll make this 2 server auto scaling. Like if one goes down, other will come up. That is known as auto scaling. Clear all in online? यूज करते नहीं See, Amazon EC2 auto scaling helps you to ensure that correct numbers of Amazon instances available and handle the load for our applications. You create collections of EC2 and auto scaling group. You can specify minimum number of instances. Like you create a group for. I have 2 groups, minimum 2, maximum 4. Like if something happens to this 2, more 2 will come up. That's what we'll do. You can specify the maximum number of instances. You can tell how many instances you want, minimum. Like while doing your settings, you know I have huge customer support. That means in one day, crore people can log in. So for that you need a database. They will use a lot of process. It might be slow my server. So if it is hampered, what will happen? You should go to the next one. So that is what it will do. I will show you now only. Auto scaling is like you do not pay for a machine you are not using. Thus, must deployment and testing happens with this. But normally, you know, in this timing I don't have. So that time it will be 2 only. Suddenly, if it get increased, the next one will come up. If it goes down, the next one will go down. You need to pay full. In on-premise, what will happen? If you're doing it, you're making backup also. You don't want 4, but you're keeping it backup. The 4 is also running. Here it is not like that. How much you start, that one will run. If something happens, next one will come up. Okay? But first to server, whatever your environment is, that should be up. That should be up. So in here I cannot show all entire environment. I'll create a web server. Okay? What I'm going to do. The cloud load balancer is there, and then auto scaling this. Minimum this, maximum this. There are two ways of scaling: vertical, horizontal. Vertical may one down, one up. Horizontal may all up, one down, all like this. Create auto scaling group. Maintain applications available with scaling up and down. Only up and down it will change. Auto scaling will not see what wrong you have done. It will only see up and down. If a system is up, fine. If down, I'll make it up. That is what is working, auto scaling. Remove instance during glass load. Automatically will do. These are the benefits. Fault tolerance, better availability, and better cost management. All those things are efficient. Fault tolerance means you will never get faulty errors like server down is. Anyone will work. Anyone will give a response. Better availability zone, whichever zone you choose. But remember, multiple instances should be there, not one. And cost management. This is what components require. Any Linux server, any instance, storage, security group prepare. For making template, then auto scaling group, you need this policies, increase this. The first will create template, then we'll create auto scaling group. Then we'll choose of this limit. No, anyway, I'll do anyway. I'll take all the servers, I'll do. So this is what maximum limit. Region limit launch configuration 200 servers you can run. Auto scaling per region, per group limit 50 group, 125, all these limits are there. And this is how practical you can see. I think everybody understood the concept. So first of all, I will create two instances. I will launch web page, normal web page. I am giving this is one A. And remember, for doing auto scaling, there should be two availability zones. In one, don't give. There should be different zones. So I am taking one A, this one. I am doing enable this one. Next, storage fine. Adding, forget about relative name later. We have practice for this. Review. Launch. Okay. And remember, they will work on one single instance. Like if I'm taking Linux only. If I'm taking Red Hat only. If I'm taking Windows only. Don't mix everything. Because anyhow, the platform will be same. If you're putting up the server, the platform will be same. Will not take half of. So I'm taking this only. This is one B I'm doing. Enable. Next. 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 Review. Launch. Since launch. So let's give this as Linux. So, it will come up. Huh? Yes, we will not ask you the permission. If you don't give why, what will happen elsewhere? Yes. To skip that, I'm giving -1. So to web page created, I'll copy this one. Get that web page ready. Welcome offline people. And I copy the first one. Okay. So I want to make auto scaling for this two. I am just creating this two to show you, but it should be one configuration only. In real time, they will not create two separate opening the two separate HTML file. It will be one. You will not understand. To make you understand only, I make these two different. But in real time, it is not like this. They will have one server configuration, creating image and doing on that only. Okay. Multiple instances should be multiple instances will be the same configuration. Na? See, there are only in Google, Yahoo, they have only one web page, correct? Na? So they have one server first. From that server, they have created multiple, and then they have made it two. Here also, you can assume these two are same. Just I am making a little bit different to make you understand. Okay. In here, I will get auto scaling of my instance, not services. Tomorrow, I'll talk about load balancer. Okay. So let's scroll down. Auto scaling. Okay. First, configuration. So first you have to do grouping, then I'll do. So let's make group. Create auto scaling group. Now here, while creating auto scaling group, you can see here you have to show switch to launch configuration. Here you can check your configuration or templates. Auto scaling group, if I directly click, what happens? Nothing is there. Yes or no? If you check my PPT also, first launch configuration, second auto scaling group. That's the reason I have opened that page first. First, you have to do all those things. These things should be created, then you have to select all those things. Then auto scaling group will come. Clear? You cannot start directly this one.
Storage, security group.
Already I have done all those things. No? Now I have to make template for that. So launch configuration. Create. Give a name. Auto scaling. Auto scaling only. I just normally I created my instance. That's it. My work done. Now my instance is ready. Now I will do auto scaling for that instance. I created multiple servers, okay, but multiple server you can't take. The person they will not do. The reason I'm saying person will not take two. They will make one server only at one time. To make your, I made two to show you this thing. That when I select, I cannot select two. I can select only one. People who are online try to understand what I am doing here. I have created two servers to show you that while creating template, I can choose only one. Here I have created two, correct? While you create auto scaling, you can select only one, not multiple. In real time also, if you are going to support any server, there should be one time only. Okay, you will understand now. See, auto scaling, launch configuration, create, give a name, template one. See, choose AMI. Now see, do you have any AMIs here? Which one you have created? Is it there? Online people? Respond.
No, sir.
Then what you have to do to get your AMI?
I have to create an image.
Good. You understood something. So can you create multiple images for both? Like clicking these two, going action. See. Understood? So to multiple Linux if you take and you try to make of that auto scaling will not work. There should be one. Clear? So the reason I make two here to make you understand that if you have two servers, they will not do. Only one server can maintain auto scaling. Yeah, single thing. In everywhere they are doing single. They have only one web page, main, but they have the copies of that. Clear? Understand? Online people, do not ask me, sir, tomorrow why you have done these two Linux instance to only to show you that if you take two instance and if you try to make this one will not come because it works on AMI. So AMI one time one only. Clear? Now let's do images. Image 1. I'm giving name as auto scaling. Add description. Create image. Come to AMIs. You can see the AMI. So what AMI I have meant first one? First one is what? Welcome online peoples, correct? Yes? Up to here clear? Online?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Once this is created, now in there it will show me that name. Only have to wait for some time for this to come out. That's the reason why I did yesterday image. So everything I will go line by line, but in AWS course now they don't have this line by line. Randomly they don't have connection. I just made the connection. Because if I take last year this one, you might forget. So yesterday I did image, now this. Tomorrow I will do same thing only, but load balancer we're taking to this two instance one. In auto scaling, one instance one time. In auto load balancer, two instance one time. That is what the difference is. Slowly I will do everything, but not as global standard. My standard, you will understand the flow. Once finished, open Google, check EC2 your AWS this one associate level. If something missing, you let me know. Nothing will be. Then also you check it for your satisfaction. So I think it is pretty much clear now. Two instance cannot be done image. So in auto scaling, one only. So people will do one only. They will get image and they will do auto scaling. Okay. So what I'm going to do, as I don't need this and not make confusion, I will delete this. Okay. I am just submitting this because I have not made this one. Then here I don't have any use of the next two. Is it clear? Why I have deleted this one? Because I don't need. I am doing instance of this. Correct na? Image of this. This image will only work. One image only works in auto scaling, not multiple. Tomorrow will be. For auto scaling only one because there is no option. That's the reason I have created two to show you the options are not available. Okay. Guys, if you have any confusion, let me know. Okay. Don't keep the confusion. Auto scaling, one system at a time. Tomorrow when I will do, that I will take two. Don't mix auto scaling and load balancer. Every topic has separate function. Here it will just make you up your instance up and down. That's it. It will not check what mistake and all. The image making takes lot of time. But after doing it, please delete it. So launch configuration. Now you can see create name came. So same configuration will come. Here, once you make that one, you can choose your instance type. Like you can change it now. At that time I have taken T2 micro. Here no, it become very big. I need more processor, more thing. You can choose here. So I am choosing the same thing only. I am not going to do any changes. Just cost me extra. Yeah. In real time, you can choose any depending on your services work. Roles not required. The roles you have not learned anything. Select existing security group, which one you have.
Where
is the one? Second one. Right. Same only you do, or else you can change. All the default, obviously I made all traffic up. Keep here. Choose an existing. Already we have this one now. You want to create, you can create. Acknowledge. Launch. So your template is ready. Now the same template will go there. Now what I'm going to do, once this is created now, I will just keep it stop. Only for now. If you want to delete also, no problem, because already you have image. In real-time environment, company people will come to you, they will tell you their requirement, you will make all those things, JavaScript, everything here. Then you make an image and you keep a backup with you. The same thing I have done here. I have done everything, all image ready. I can stop, I can terminate. I am terminating it. Let me terminate. Let's see what happens. Now, no web page will open, correct? Nothing will open. Because in real time also, they will do the same thing. Company people who make the web page, they come to them, they say, I need a web page like this, like a design. So they will do all entire setup in this, and then they will keep image and give it to you. The same way I made template. Fine. So nothing is running. Come down. Come to autoscaling group. Create autoscaling group. Give one, whatever name you like. Use template. Temp one. Okay. See, every information is here. Next. Which VPC? 12. Subnet. Both. How many subnets you have? Okay. Next. At presently, we don't have load balancer. Here, health check period, I'll give little bit less, 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, somebody goes down, the other should come up. 30 seconds means 50 minutes, 5 minutes. So let's give it 1 minute only. Next. Desired capacity. I want 2 always run. I have big server. Here the 2 I am giving. In real time, they will give 10. 10 will run desired. Then minimum and desired should be same. If you give 1 here now, if 1 goes down, it will be 1 only minimum. So desired and this should be same always. Know by default how many server you want to run. They will say you I want 6 server to run always. So minimum and desired should be same. Maximum up to you. So I'll make it double. If 2 goes down, 2 will come up. If I make 3, only 1 will come up. Here, target tracking policy based on CPU utilization. You can do or network. Okay, you can choose. I'm giving based on target value CPU. I'll make my CPU percentage high to check whether one is coming or not. So I'm giving in this. Then next. Notification requiring SNS topic. So SNS still not done. We'll do in lambda. So I'm just skipping it out. Tag if you want to give. Next. All done. Create. Once you create, you can see here what? Instance capacity 0. Okay, wait for some time. Once this will come up, in here at presently, all are down. See, 2 is coming up. See here, 2 are coming up. Pending, because it is in that state. Updating. Understood? Online people understood? See, running. Let's come here. Okay.
Let's do it.
Huh? Auto scaling I did not hear. I didn't get. Linux means I deleted it. Terminated it.
Below the running one?
New, which I have created. 2 I have created that time now. Linux one only.
Both are for Linux.
I said only one template can be made. So I took Linux one template only now.
Yeah.
So I did Linux 2. I don't want 2 only.
2 running means because of the 2 maximum.
Both are same. Running. I'll just create one this. What is this? Elastic IP. Because presently I don't have elastic IP. One is I'm just showing you both are same. So one I have created. Okay, say group 2, desired to minimum to 10. Come here. I'll just show the both are same. Come here. 13. Here not correct. Copy. Paste. Understood? Upgrade. It will not come, no. See, here while doing management, I have just drawn an instance. It is only with instance. It is not load balancer. So when I attach load balancer, that can later also come. Today's topic is only auto scaling of instance. What if one got deleted? Okay, what if the memory CPU goes high? Those things, how to up. So here I have given public, you have to initiate a public IP. Well, your work will be whenever it goes down and up, you have to come and give public IPs. That's why elastic IP is required. In second one, I have not attached now. If you want this, come here. Now you may say, sir, why all the time you have to attach? Reason behind that, today I am just talking about instances. Okay? When load balancer will come, that time an own URL will come. With that URL will go. Next upcoming class, DNS is there. So that time this problem will solve. Today's problem is only to understand how auto scaling works. You might have questions saying that, sir, why you have to give all the time? In real time not required. Everything will come automatically. But today's topic is only auto scaling of instance. So I have not shown everything. I'm just going one stage. So done, action, associate. So let's come here now. Instance. I think I got for the last one also. Now what? Okay, if I copy these also, I'll get same because I'm using the template. Okay, now let's go inside and make my CPU percentage little bit high. Okay. If I want to check my CPU, I'll check this top. At presently, you can see CPU percentage is 0.0. I can make it high. Yes. In PPT, I have given this one. Yes, this one. This is where the problem comes here. Sorry. Yes. Yes. No. Now you can check top. See 98%. Yes. I'll open the next one also. Will I open this one also? AFF same only, na? Let's come back. Let's do this. Connect. 0% only. In real time, we'll not do this. Real time, we're not going to do this. Automatically, the CPU utilization will come. Here, I'm making it forcefully. $99, $99. Now let's come here. Close this. Come here. Come to instance. It will wait for some time. The other will come. 1 minute threshold time. Come here there.
Another one extra additional water.
One will come. It depends on the process. I think if I do for my side, it will not work. Let's see. Or else I'll delete one, the other will come up. Okay, because minimum I have to do. Came up? No. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, we'll see this. Basically, it should have come up till now. The number of hits should come properly. See the CPU percentage used on your utilization. Okay. It will take time until unless people don't hit it. They don't open it. They should be, I have to make physical, this one. This is not a correct way. So it is not getting the output also. When manually it will come up, then you will understand. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll just think I'll delete it. Randomly I gone here, delete it. Something happened. Something happened, got deleted. Now check what is going to happen. Next one will create automatically. But it will take some time. And here you will see the effect. Once it goes down, effect will show here. Wait for 2-3 minutes, it will come up. Coming. One came up. So automatically it will show. Here it should have shown. Let me check activity. Activity successfully terminated. Again, one is coming up. Every activity you can see here. So I think auto scaling is created now, clear now. Online people. Online.
Yes.
Okay, now see, if you want to delete this one, if you come and delete here, for example, okay, my practice over, I will do here, my practice over, I will come here, I will terminate. Don't think it is terminated.
Scaling.
You have to go to the scaling and you have to do it delete, or else again it will start in the background. Tomorrow will come and say, sir, yesterday I deleted, again they have charged. So be very careful. See, I am deleting both together. Wait for some time, again two will come up. Just wait for some time. In the meantime, you can check here status. See, launching to new instance. Scroll down. Will not kill. It will initiate from there, it will come here. Just sometime you wait. See, running. So be careful, huh? So what to do? Come down. Main thing is to delete this one. If you don't delete that one also, no problem. This one you delete. This is the main thing you are doing. Come, delete. Once you delete this, automatically this will get deleted. See, shutting down. Okay. So make practice all those things properly. Okay. The launch configuration also you should delete because don't use any storage. And AMIs. Once you do this, snapshot will be there. Delete the snapshot also. Clear? Okay, now we'll do Lightshell. Basically, Lightshell is a product of AWS where you can launch instance with application directly without installing. Like normally what happens, we use, like for example, I think you have heard about this application. Simple example I will give. WordPress. This is a website internet will get where you can build your own image, own web page. So I want this application to be installed in my system. What I will do, I will launch instance, I will take his code, I will put inside, I will set the JavaScript and everything. Okay, so it will take me time. Some people might come, I want to check this web page is working or not. For that HTML you have to do. Instead of that, you can just open this and show. In companies, okay, they will not allow you to open this page for the security reason. You cannot open third-party application. So they will say, okay, fine. You want this? I'll give you an Amazon website, Lightshell. You can do there. So Lightshell is nothing. Is an application-based service where you can add OS with application together at one time. Here, what happens? Default, one by one you do. First, you will create VPC, you select region, you install instance, and then after that, you do your application thing like I did HTTP and all those things. Lightshell will not require anything. It will not open instance in here. It will open one separate page. It will combine everything automatically. It will combine and give it to you. In Windows, like you will get only database. In Linux, there are some predefined application already, like Joomla, then Drupal, then Nginx, lot of things are there. Okay, so let's see. Service, see Lightshell. You can see one square button here. Whenever you open this thing, it opens on the next tab. It will not open the same tab. Click this. See. If I don't click this also, if I click this one also, same thing. Next page it will come. Okay. What you can do, you can create instance, container, database, networking, snapshot. At presently, you are talking about AWS. You are doing this. Container will come in Docker edition in your DevOps. In Docker, I will do. Here, see, create instance. Nothing more. See, I will create region. Which region you want? It will go on default VPC. This is only for practice purpose. The app with OS or only OS. If I need only OS, what I will do? I can do my EC2 only, correct? Basically, we use this one. These are the application predefined. This application, if you want directly, you want to start, you can start. If you know anything, LAMP, PHP, Node.js, Joomla. Huh? This, I don't know anything on this Ghost and all those things. WordPress I can tell. GitLab is there. Instead of GitLab, we'll do GitHub. So this is pretty to this application. If you want to do all those things, Ghost, Drupal, Node.js, in real time you have to go install Node.js, Java and all. Here, ready-made will come up. Choose any. First of all, I'm choosing this one. Next, I'll choose this. Just to show. Selected. If I come here in Windows, I'll just get SQL Server. Nothing more. No other application. Only SQL they will be. So let's go with this. In this, scroll down. You have your key here.
There's no database.
RDS is there, but not it will not come here. It is application. Server database SQL. Linux web data. We have our topic also. RDS, DynamoDB, Nextune. We have. Here, if you want any script, shell scripting, if you have, you can add. So shell scripting not done. Here, choose your instance plan. How big you want, how much. So I'm going with the lowest one. If you want more, you can go with memory, processing, storage, transfer. You can do. Oh, they will charge, obviously. People, everything is chargeable, but not for an hour. Do check, delete it. In real time, they will charge. So the reason they are paying you. Once done, how many instances you want, you can select here. And then just create, nothing more. Instance created, you will get one IP. Copy this IP will come here. Only it should be running. So wait for some time, we'll see this. T2 micro. Only here the advantage is we no need to think of how to install those things. You want directly use this. Copy this from here. Paste/admin. Open that page. Still not up. You have to, how will you understand? You have to click this. If this web page comes, it will work. No, an error occur. We are unable to connect. Wait for 2-3 minutes. It will take some time to come up. Here only will get deal doctor. For running, it takes some time. Okay, it will come up. In the meantime, I will share you this document. So, same thing here, everything, plans and all. So please go on all those things, okay? How to give, how to get password, everything is there. I'll show you. Everything is written here. I will just share the document first, or else I might forget. I have a very bad habit. Let's see now. Yeah, it came up. So now if I come here, I copy this link. Come here. Here user. Password you'll get from here. Give right on. Just copy this. Copy. Come here. Paste here. And login. So here inside that workspace. Clear? Let's take one more example. I'll delete this. Okay. Understood now, everybody? Online people? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Created on Linux.
What press? So I'll do this for Linux with something. Anything anybody knows? Little bit. Any idea on this application? Somebody?
But C will just here somewhere, but exactly have to.
Okay, fine. Take Node.js only. It's up to your choice, whatever you know. I don't know anything on this. I'm just selecting. I'll just show the page comes up. Just scroll down. Create. Those things are same. Your instance, images, all those things. It is creating same thing. I will copy.
Directly will go to the Node.js.
Directly. You in real time you have to install Node.js.
Yes.
Here nothing required. They will do for you in the background. Only the page will come up directly. Node.js page.
But the other you can go back to the Linux matrix.
That frame you can go now from here. It will come here. It's pending now, it will come here. Open that one, the black page will come now. From there, password, go inside Node.js, your application work, and same thing will replicate here. Only it will help you to the installation process of this application. That they will take care. That they will take care. The real-time live shell very is not used. Still, I have not seen somebody using it. They will do manually. They will do all manually. So we'll wait for some time. We'll click here. That page should come up. Then only we can do. It's running. Username they have given this Bitnami. You can give the username and users also, no problem. So let's copy. This is not working now. It's gone. Not up. More 2 minutes you have to wait. Wasted time. Again, background processor running.
It's up now, sir.
Huh? Yes. What was it? Yeah, is connected. Let's get the password. Getting password is same, huh? Same way. Fresh. So Node.js is installed. Then if you want to work on this, CD, project sample, npm, all those things are done. If you want to do, you have to come inside your instance and work here. That is one. The same thing for others also. Beyond that, if you ask me anything on Node.js, I'm not into the software part. No, I'm not in JavaScript and all. So you have to learn Node.js and all to work on this thing. That's the reason why you need little bit background of software. Java is important. Most of the project comes on Java. Python is required for automation.
For Java.
Basic, intermediate level thing, all those things. Python will help you for automation. When Lambda will come, that time I need Python. Java means for project. Anyhow, in DevOps, I'll take one Java small, one Java project, got from somewhere, I'll do on that also. Okay. So I think these two topics are clear. Any questions, queries? Is there any questions, queries? Please delete it, huh? Later on, please do not come and sir, I got lot of bill for you. You have not said to delete. So every class I'm saying, after practicing, delete it. Don't keep anything.
The instance for 1 hour they cost.
Some 45 rupees. For practicing purpose, you have to pay. But how? If you get any warning message in this tenure, like when in DevOps, let me know prior 1 week, because they will give you 15 days prior message. You are going to suspend your account because of non-payment of this. Then I will show you the steps. First steps to follow to waive off your bill. You can waive off 3 times. Can be waive off from one account, not more than that. So wait till the deadline comes. Already I have done 2 times, more 1 time I can do. After that, I prepared a new one. Not recovery, we get a fake mail ID. That also we can do. Okay. So, any queries, questions, anybody? Rajendra, Shweta, Usha. No, okay. Thumbs up, I got. Thank you for thumbs up. Vinay? Hi.
No, sir.
Okay.
I will try and tell, sir.
Okay. Chalo, then see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.